Hello, I am meteorologist Charles Bell at the National Weather Service Office, San Francisco Bay Area, located in Monterey, California. This is a high-impact weather briefing for the arrival of stormy weather forecast to impact the San Francisco and Monterey Bay areas. Please do not use the information contained here after noon on Thursday, December 20th, 2012, as it will be subject to change. Our main weather maker for Thursday through the upcoming weekend will be a strong Pacific storm system that is slowly progressing toward our area. This system will provide widespread rainfall for most of the West Coast, including the San Francisco and Monterey Bay region. This graphic shows a satellite image plus surface analysis for around noon Wednesday. The three main impacts from this Pacific storm system are locally heavy rain, the potential for flooding and mudslides, plus locally gusty winds. Significant rainfall is expected across the Bay Area over the next several days. Rainfall amounts will be the heaviest in the high terrain and in the North Bay. Rainfall in excess of 10 inches through Sunday is possible for favored southwestward facing slopes of high terrain. Lower elevations will see lower rainfall totals, but still several inches are expected. The lightest rain is expected in southeastern Monterey and San Benito counties with 1 to 3 inches. With the significant rainfall, there will be flooding concerns as well. Small creeks and streams are expected to flood in favored locations, and minor urban flooding is likely. Rising water levels can be expected on large rivers, especially in the North Bay, like the Russian and Napa rivers. The graphic here shows a forecast of the Russian River and the rises expected there. The pink line to the right shows the expected increase in the water level on the river. Note that while it rises quickly, the current prediction is for the river to remain well below flood stage. Additional urban flooding issues will be enhanced and complicated by tree debris like leaves and small branches that fall and clog storm drains. There is also potential for landslides in the high terrain as the ground becomes saturated on hillsides. Breezy conditions are possible during the upcoming storms for most locations. Stronger winds can be expected along the coast and higher elevation areas. For inland areas, breezy conditions are possible, but gusts should be a bit less. Right now, the strongest winds are expected on Sunday as a cold front goes through our area. During that day, many communities could see gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour, while higher elevation locations could see gusts closer to 60 miles per hour. Winds of that strength have the potential to down some trees and/or power lines, especially due to wet soils. Remember, you can follow the San Francisco Bay Area National Weather Service on Twitter at NWS Bay Area. You can also follow us on Facebook, and the easiest way to find our page is to search for the U.S. National Weather Service San Francisco. Finally, you can always visit us on the web at weather.gov/San Francisco. Please share your feedback, and as the storm arrives, we would love to hear how it is impacting you and your rainfall amounts, plus wind gust reports. Thank you for watching.